I'm in love in a dream with the dove outside. She lives in the tree. She wants to marry me, my little dove. She can fly through the sky from the great beyond. The message she brings from the poet she sings, my little dove. With my eyes wide open, with my heart so free, I will live, my dove in me. I can hear poetry when she sings her song. The feeling is clear in the music of the spheres, my little dove. There's a change in my soul and the universe. The many become one and are increased by one, my little dove. With my eyes wide open, with my heart so free, I will live, my dove and me. Now the song I hear is full of sweet persuasion. From beyond the veil, the source of all we are. I'm in love, now for real, with the dove inside. My soul's in the game, now we'll never be the same, my little dove. With my eyes wide open, with my heart so free, we will live, my dove and me.